love making these honey pistachio mooncakes for Mid-Autumn Festival. They are sweet and nutty and not that hard to make in the context of mooncakes. The crust is a combination of flour, oil, golden syrup, and some alkaline water. You want to mix the dough until it's very smooth. Then for the filling, we have roasted pistachios, a little bit of honey, coconut oil, cornstarch, and salt. Blend in a food processor until crumbly but a little sticky. Divide the filling into 12 equal portions and form into round balls. Take a portion of dough, roll it up, and then flatten it out. You want a 4-inch round circle. Use the edge of a bench scraper to help lift up the dough and place a ball of filling in the center. Carefully bring up the edges of the dough, completely encasing the filling. Position your mold over the mooncake, firmly press down, and then release. This takes a little bit of practice, but eventually you'll get the hang of it. Now we're going to bake the mooncakes for about 10 minutes to set the crust. Let them cool briefly and then brush on lightly some egg wash. Bake for a final 10 minutes. Enjoy them warm, but they somehow get even better after a few days.